Hello students, this is Usha. Today we are going to learn about Flash, Introduction to Flash, that is chapter 8 in your book. Here we are going to discuss about Animate. Animate, formerly called Flash. What is Animate? Animate is a software package that allows users to create interactive animations. Using Animate, that is Flash, one can combine images, audio, video and other effects to create animations. Originally, it was designed to create animations for display on web pages. Animate is now commonly used to create games, cartoons, websites, photo galleries and much more. The animation and graphics created in Animate can be scaled to any size without compromising with clarity or quality. The Animate workspace, the Flash workspace. Menu bar. The menu bar contains controls for common functions and commands such as opening, editing and saving files, etc. Know the fact. To save the file, click on File, Save. Specify the file name and click on the Save button. The file name will be saved with .fla extension. The stage. This is the rectangular workspace area where we place our contents and create our drawings. By default, the stage size in Animate is 550 400 pixels. Let us know more. In order to move the stage to different position on the screen, select the hand tool from the tools panel and drag the stage to the desired position. The tools panel. It contains a set of tools to draw, paint, select and modify objects in the workspace. Let's know more. You can view the stage on the entire screen or view a particular area of your drawing or high magnification. To do so, select the zoom tool from the tools panel and click on the object. You can reduce or enlarge the size of your image. The properties panel. The properties panel displays various properties of the selected object, that is maybe image or symbol. It is generally used for changing the setting like stage size, ruler, unit, background color of stage and frame rate. It is also named as property inspector. If the properties panel is not visible, then we can select the window properties option. Quick view. The Ctrl plus F3 shortcut key combination is used to enable the properties panel. Know the fact. You can also change the various properties of the stage like stage size, background color, etc. by selecting the modify document option. Timeline. The timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. It is divided into frames. It is the area where one controls the sequencing and timing of graphics and the other elements of a movie using the tools panel. First one. The tools panel consists of many tools that help in drawing, coloring and modifying an object. With the help of tools, we can create shapes like rectangle, circle, line, any other object. Most of the Animate tools work similar to the tools present in Microsoft Paint. Let's know more. You can also select the stroke color and fill color from the color section of the tools panel. The drawing tools. First, rectangle tool. This tool is used to create square and rectangular shapes. This tool has an option which can be set to draw a rounded rectangle. Select the rectangle tool. Select the stroke color or fill color, stroke size, style and scale from the property inspector. Hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage. As the rectangular shape is created, release the left mouse button. To draw a rounded rectangle, specify corner radius under the rectangle option section in the properties panel. You can either specify the numeric value or use corner radius control slider to change the value for all the corners. Now click and draw the rectangle on the stage. You will get a rounded rectangle with the specified corner settings. Note, if the chain symbol placed left to the corner radius control slider is connected, you can lock the corner radius controls to one control. Example, by setting the radius in one box, you can set the same radius for all the corners. If you want to specify different radius for each corner, unlock the chain symbol and enter a different numeric value in each box. Tips: you can also draw other shapes like oval, polyester, etc. on the stage by choosing the Decide tool from the toolbox. After drawing the rounded rectangle shape, you cannot modify the radius. However, Animate C, that is version of Flash, provides you a rectangle primitive tool to solve this problem. That is oval primitive tool. Polyester tool. This tool is used to draw polygons or stars. Select the Polyester tool. In the Property Inspector, click on the Option button under the Tool Setting option. You will get the Tool Settings dialog box. Click on the drop-down list of Style option and select the Star Style. Enter the value that ranges from 3 to 32 in the Number of Sides text box. For star point size, enter the number between 0 to 1 to specify the depth of a star option. A number closer to 0 creates deeper. For drawing polygon, you do not require to change these settings. Click on OK to close the Tool Settings dialog box. Click and drag the pointer on the stage to draw a star. Similarly, you can draw a polygon by selecting Polygon option in the Style text box. Next one, Line tool. The Line tool works exactly the same way as the Line tool in any graphic software. We can use Line tool to draw straight lines. Click on the Line tool. In the Property Inspector, select the stroke color, line thickness, line style or width profile as needed. Move the pointer to the stage. Click and drag in the direction where you want to draw a line. Release the mouse button. You will get a line on the stage. Next, Pencil tool. It is a freehand drawing tool. You can draw freeform lines and shapes in the same way as you would use a real pencil. This tool has 3 different modifiers: straighten, smooth and ink. Straighten, the default modifier is straighten. It automatically straightens the line drawn by the pencil tool. Second one, smooth. Select this option to draw smooth curved lines. Third one, ink. The option helps to draw freehand lines with no modification. Select the pencil tool and choose the Decide option. Select the stroke color, stroke height, that is thickness, style and width profile from the Property Inspector and draw the line. See that? 3 different pencils. Quick view. While using pencil tool, press the shift key to draw straight, horizontal or vertical line. Next, brush tool in drawing toolbox. It can be used just like a brush. You can paint any shape with the desired color using the brush tool. You can specify the brush mode, brush size and brush shape modifiers that appear at the bottom of the toolbox. Using the brush mode modifier, you can choose to specify different areas to paint using the brush tool. The various options available with brush tools are as follows. First one, paint normal, that is allows you to paint over lines and fills. Paint fills allows you to fill an empty area leaving lines unaffected. Paint behind allows you to paint blank area of the stage leaving lines and fills unaffected. Paint selection applies a new fill color only to the selected filled areas. Paint inside allows you to paint only the fill areas and never allows you to paint outside the lines. Next, text tool. This tool is used to insert text on the stage. You can set various text attributes like font family, style and size when text is inserted. Select the text tool. Change the font family, style, size and color, etc. Move the mouse pointer on the stage and start typing. You can also create a fixed width text box for horizontal text. To do so, simply drag the text tool to draw a rectangular area. As you type, the words are wrapped according to the width of the text box. Know the fact. Pointing the mouse over any tool will display the name of the tool. Next, selection tools. The 4 important tools used for making selection in Animate are selection tool, lasso tool, polygon tool and magic wand tool. First, selection tool. The selection tool is used to select a single or multiple object on the stage. There are different ways to select the different portions of an object. To select a stroke, fill, text block or group, select the selection tool and click on the object. To select the filled shape and its stroked outline, double-click the fill. You can also select the filled shapes and its outline by dragging to enclose the object within a rectangular selection marquee. Let's know more. In order to animate and the text or to add some special effect in it, you can break it apart into the individual letters by clicking on a modify break apart option or pressing Ctrl B key combination. Next tool, lasso tool. This is a freehand selection tool. We can use this tool to select irregular shaped areas of a drawing or a part of an object. This tool has 3 options. Click on the lasso tool. Move the pointer on the stage area. It changes to lasso shape. Click the drag the lasso tool around the object to specify the boundary of the selection. End the selection approximately from where you started. Release the mouse button and observe the selection. Drag the selected anchor point to create the desired path. Using frame by frame technique to animate. Animations in Animate are created with the help of frames. Frames in Animate can be defined as the little rectangular cells which appear on the timeline. Frames are used to control and organize the content of your movie. Objects in the timeline are placed in order as you want to them appear in the movie. Keyframes are special types of frames where we can define change in object for an animation like position, color, shape, etc. In frame by frame animation, we create the image in every frame. Let us add some artwork for the document. Drawing a star. It is important to understand that each image drawn in Animate consists of a stroke and a fill. Select any color choice from the stroke color. Select red color from the fill color box. Select the poly star tool and draw a star explained previously while describing the polystar tool. Now drawn. Know the fact. Eyedropper tool is used to copy, fill and stroke attributes from an object and use them on another object using animating an object. Let us animate the star that you have drawn across the stage. Click on the keyframe dot in layer. The animation will begin from this particular frame. Now select the second frame in the timeline. Click on the insert timeline keyframe. This will insert a keyframe in frame 2. Using the selection tool, make a slight changes in the position of the star towards the right side of the stage. Change its color to orange using fill color option. Click the third frame of the timeline and press F6 to insert a keyframe in it. Shift the star slightly to the right side of the stage and change the color to sky blue. Click the fourth frame on the timeline and press F6 again. Shift the star towards right and change its color to yellow. Continue to insert keyframes by repeating the above mentioned step till you reach the 10th frame. See that till 10th frame we are doing. We move that star and we change the star color. Towards right we are moving the star and changing the color in each keyframe. Till 10th frame we are doing the same thing. Preview the animation by clicking the Control Test Movie in Animate. See that? Now we animate one image. Now the star is look like moving. Let's know more. You can also play your movie in a browser by clicking on the Control Test Movie in browser. I hope all are understand the session well. Practicing at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.